Alright, so hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna keep working on our e-commerce site. We're almost there. In fact, I think there are only a couple videos till we actually deploy this to Heroku. And then, yeah, that's maybe it. But if we take a look, this is what we got here. Let's see. So now what they're gonna do is we're gonna implement some sellers interface. So in here, what they're gonna work on is specifically something like, first is we're gonna implement like the main shop page where they can manage all their stuff. Specifically, a couple of things: manage their order and manage their, items. So in here, let's go ahead and say something like this. So I'm gonna implement this index page first. So actual shop. And here we're just gonna say root shop. And then I'm gonna get a shop ID. Right? And in here we're gonna say from seller.model actually it's from shopper.model import or import order order item. Alright. Okay. So in here what we're going to do is first we want to go ahead and select if there's any order that's related. So just to understand better, let's just take a look at our order definition here. So specifically we need to worry about this order item. We need to worry about this order item. And then, so how do we worry about that? Is this. So we're gonna check all the item that they own within this shop. All the item they own within this shop. And then we're gonna see if is there one item that's been ordered and their order status is 0. Okay, so in here let's go and say this. We'll say item is item the objects dot all, right? And then here we can say for item, items. What are gonna say? It's just gonna see if we can get this order item, right? And then it's also have a payment ID here. It's okay. So in here we're just gonna say data. Gonna be some sort of nested list again. Now think about the format. But in here we're just gonna say order equals to order the objects dot get. First of all, the item ID must be item dot item ID. And order status need to be 0. Right? And then maybe in here we could just append this order object here. And then in here we'll just want to say return render requests. And then it's gonna be seller.shop.html. And in here we'll say if length of the data is not equals to 0. And that means they do have some items that they need to worry about for selling. So in here we're gonna say order waiting equals false. Otherwise, all right. Let's see. So now I'm gonna say shop. Actually, I don't need to have this at all because I could just use account to get it. Just to worry about data. And in here, I could say for D in data, which is basically order. And here, I can say orders for response. And then here, I can say maybe we can just say D dot okay, 1 second, let's see. Order item. Okay. And then here just gonna append D dot quantity. D dot name X D dot quantity here. And here I can say if data dot count equals 0. I'm just gonna say no active orders. Actually, we can say no orders waiting to respond. All right, let's refresh. Actually, of course, it's not gonna work because it didn't add the URLs yet. All right, and here it's just gonna say shop. Order item matching does not exist. Now we're gonna do a try except then. Try except order that does not exist. Yeah, okay. Okay, well, this will go with here then. Maybe it's without parentheses. Okay. D dot item ID. Okay, so it's order item. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's see. We don't have any. But why data.count is not 0? Let's try it again. Okay. Alright, what I will do is just go open up the database. There it is. Alright. Oops, that's not necessary. Okay. So I have a little bit of trouble for fetching it. What item? Maybe in here we could just say the filter. At least the shop ID needs to be the shop ID, right? So you don't compare all of them. Okay, and then here you have for try order equals to e print e. Just see what sort of exception we got. Or I got this, get return more than one order item. Oh, okay, so it's like different order. Right, different order, okay. Well, if in that case, do dot filter O for order. I hope it will work because I don't want to do a nested list. But that's kind of not necessary here. Alright, generator. Yep, that's not what I want either. I guess I'll just do a list otherwise. Let's do a D. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, if yeah, if we do that, then there's no point for this try accept anymore. Ah, frick. Let's see if now it will work. Oh, okay, it's not pass. It's not 0. Now we want to do this. There we go. Now the logic. Oops. Now the logic should be here. Let's try refresh. Alright, sweet. Okay. So now here we need to go ahead and do an additional loop for I in D and 4. Oh, because we don't have the item name, right? Okay. Actually, we'll order it in a different way. So in here, dot lanes dot what? I need to know, like, how do I got the length of a list? So that's count, right? Okay, no, we'll just return it here. Length of the data. Okay. And in here we'll say if data length equals 0, otherwise there is active order for you to respond. There are orders for you to respond. Okay. I think it would be good if we refactor it to a new page. Okay, let's see. It's a define, excuse me, request shop ID. Pretty much let's just paste it. Okay, for the time being, I'm just gonna copy and paste it here. And here you're gonna say orders after we're gonna say. Let's give a route. So pass shop UUID shop ID. View orders. Orders. All right. So maybe here, what we could say is this. So Let's see. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, once I can view the order, is I should be able to click on it. And redirect them to like the information page or something. View order, request, shop ID, order item. Okay, order item, no, it's just gonna be integer, but it's alright. Okay, so what's gonna happen now? ID should be pretty much this. Alright. So here we're gonna say href slash Alright, so here we're gonna say orders 1. Okay. Alright, so now what's gonna happen is this. View order, what's gonna do is gonna get the order item. Right, it's order, so order item equals to order objects.get. Because the way to manage it is to have an overall payment, a payment ID that's associate all the order together, but they also have a order ID, which is for a different order item. So in here you're gonna say order item 2 equals to ID equals to order, right? And then here, then what we could say is if we go and click on here, then maybe what they can take a look at is the user, right? We need to know the user. So actually, let's get the order first. Order.objects.get order ID equals to order item 2. Dot payment ID. Wait, payment ID. Okay, and then here we're also gonna get user. Django.country.os.model. Okay, and then here we're just gonna say ID to order.user ID. Right, so we got this 3 information here. Actually, we don't need user. We need user actually. Actually, we don't. We need profile. And that's what we need. Django from a syndication.models import profile, and then maybe in here we can just say profile.objects.profile. Right, here we can say user ID. Right. Okay, so what we'll do is we're just gonna print out order item 2, order profile, return return HTTP response. Do I have JSON response? Return. So we don't see like huge lots of error popping in. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Let's copy. We orders, and that just says throw order item. Order doesn't exist. How would it not exist? That purposefully deleted or with what? Yeah, okay, I think I might purposefully deleted it. Okay. And it was a U. Yeah, I'll delete this record. Since I think I deleted the word as well. Alright, order matching inquiry doesn't exist. Refresh. Still doesn't exist? Oh, I deleted the wrong one. Oh, damn it. Okay, you know what? //logout. Okay, I'm just gonna do a quick purchase again. Login. Something. Sorry by now. Okay, just gonna see if this works. Our transaction completes. Let's see if a new order been added. Order item. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna delete this AXG then. Alright, XG is correct. Okay, let's do a quick refresh. Oh. That's not what I intended to do. Let's also log out again. Logging is in the shopper's account. Okay. I mean, not shopper, seller. Okay, view item. Orders. Okay, there we go. Actually, you know what? Let's just see, do we get all the information we want? Yeah, looks we do. Okay, so now what's gonna happen is we are gonna render a order.html. Order. Alright. So basically you're gonna pass all these three information in. Okay. return render request seller slash order.html item. Provide. Sweet. Let's go here. Do believe we need to get the actual item as well. Get past here as well. And then here, let's just say, so that's not what I want to edit. Here I can just say something like item.name. What do you mean? Okay, there we go. Cool stuff. And then here, let's just say X item dot order item quantity. Here I can just put them between paragraph. We're almost there. Sorry for making this video a little bit long. You can say ordered address label profile.name. I'm gonna order them. I'm just gonna see if we can get this address up. Do we not have name in our profile? One second. Okay, you know what? Ooh, I will just stop recording now because I think this video is getting a little bit too long. Yeah, okay, I need to figure out where do I store the name of the user, and I can just put it here, but you can see this is their address. That's pretty much it, and we will add some form maybe to fill out. And then it's almost about it, but maybe we're just gonna add a few more feature like comments. That's maybe the only feature we're gonna add. But yeah, so thanks for watching this video. Have any questions or comments, feel free to comment down below. I appreciate that. Whether you enjoyed this video or not, appreciate for watching. Thank you for all of your supports. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Yeah, and haven't smashed the like button yet, please do so as well. But as always, stay safe. Have a nice day. DevWithMe out.